Hey everyone, it's me Mark, and in this video I just want to show you the new, or actually it came out a year ago, Rode PodMic. So this is a dynamic microphone. It's pretty cool because it gets rid of background noise, it's pretty good. And I'll just show you the unboxing of this thing and how to set it up, okay? So what I'm going to be doing here is, it's pretty heavy, so I'll just open up the box. And it looks like it's been opened before, which is pretty weird. So this is like the inner box, and let's just open this up and see if we can find the microphone. It says here, broadcast quality, internal pop filter, rugged build, and 2-year warranty. So I don't know if you can read this. Probably not. Okay. Yeah, well you can't read it, doesn't matter. Let's just open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing I see is like a little quick start guide, so you can see like how to connect it and all those things. It's pretty cool. They put a quick start guide here. We're gonna look at that later on, and then let's just open it up. So I'll just take it out of the box, and if I take this out, you see it's like sticking to the top part, which is pretty weird. Let's just open this up. There's like this second kind of thing here, and here you go. So it's pretty heavy. This is the whole microphone actually. And let's just open this up and see how it looks like. I'll just see if there's any fingerprints on there, but it doesn't look like it. So it does look new, which is cool. So it's a pretty heavy microphone actually. You can like open it up like this. So there are like two knobs over here, and you can tilt it, right? So this is pretty cool, like this. And let's just close this up. And this is actually the whole microphone. That's all that comes in the box, which is okay. So it doesn't come with a cable, and most of those professional microphones do not come with a cable. So what does it cost? It costs about 110 euros. That's what it costs, and it came out about a year ago, and this is especially made for podcasting. So if I just share my screen with you, just a minute, and let's just go to Safari, and over here you can see this is the Rode site, and this is the official site of the Rode PodMic, right? And you can see here it's like really built for the podcasters, right? That's why it's called the PodMic. And down here on the very bottom, you can see the specs. So it's a dynamic microphone, which means it gets rid of a lot of background noise, and the polar pattern is cardioid. So this symbol here is a cardioid polar pattern, which means it picks up audio from the front, right? And a little bit from the sides, not that much, and rejects the audio from the rear. So every time you're like listening to this microphone or talking into the microphone and you have a noisy environment, just point this part that doesn't pick up sound towards the noise in the room. Okay, so it's an XLR microphone, so which means we have to connect it to an XLR cable. So let's just go back. I'll just switch back to my face now. Just a minute. And I'll just show you like how to set it up. Okay, so what you need is an XLR cable. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching back to my Procaster, which is the bigger kind of pod mic, and I'll just stick this cable in here, and let's just see if I can stick it in on the back side. Okay, so over here, so let's just stick this cable in here, and now I'll switch to this input source, and you can hear me speaking to this microphone. Okay, so let's just switch the microphones. Can you hear me? So now I'm speaking to the Rode PodMic, and I'm using the Behringer audio interface, which is a cheap audio interface for about $50, and actually works pretty good, right? I'm not allowed to breathe into it, and I'm just allowed to talk into it, because if I breathe into it, then you'll hear a lot of those plosives, which are pop noises, the P sounds, B sounds, and T sounds. So that's why I'm not really breathing into it. It does have a built-in pop filter, which means it gets rid of those sounds, but the built-in pop filter isn't really that good. So the only thing I can do to like change that, I'll just switch to a different microphone now, or let me see, is to put a pop filter in front of it. So pop filter is something like this. So this is a pop filter. You can get one of these for about $10, and you can put it in front of it. And when I now talk into it, then the P sounds and the B sounds, and every time I breathe into it, then you can't hear that all that much, because it gets rid of those sounds. So that's pretty cool. And another thing you can do to get rid of those sounds is to use a windscreen. And there's this windscreen from Rode. It's the Rode WS2, which probably stands for windscreen 2. and you can put this on there. So I'll just pop this on the top. This might get a little loud, sorry about that. Okay, so you just put this on top there, put it all the way down. I didn't do that now, but it does get rid of the sound too. But it changes your voice a little bit, so it gets rid of a few frequencies of your voice. So that's why I don't really use that all that much, but you can use a windscreen too. Okay, so I'll just plop it out again. Sorry for the noise. And this thing fits on the Rode Procaster 2, which is another one of my microphones. They look pretty much the same. I'll just show you how they look like. Oops, wrong one. Here you go. So this is the Rode Procaster over here, and this is the PodMic, the mic I just got. So they look pretty much the same, but the Procaster is a lot bigger, and it's actually the bigger brother. It sounds a lot, actually it sounds, yeah, pretty much the same. A lot of people say the Procaster is better, but they're actually built pretty much the same. So they look very similar. And I think the Rode PodMic is a lot thicker, and the Podcaster is a lot thinner. So I can like put this on there if I want to, right? Okay, so what do you do, like, where do you put the Rode PodMic? Actually, you can put it on a stand. So I'll just switch back to my face now. Okay. So you can put it on a stand like this. This is a desk stand. It's called the Rode DS1, right? You can like put this on a stand, like over here. And it should come with an adapter. Actually, if you take a look at the bottom of it, there's a thread, a 3/8 inch thread and a 5/8 inch thread. It's all built into one. So you can actually get one of these without an adapter and just screw it in, and then you have it on your desk. So that's the cheapest way to do that. This adapter only costs about $18 or 18 euros. And another way is to get an arm. So I could get the Rode PSA-1 arm, which is like this arm over here. And I have another arm I can like put it on. This is the one from Blue, you know, the one that makes the microphones. This is the Blue Compass, and I don't really recommend this arm because it's actually it's not that good, but it looks better. So I can remove the light I have on there and then put the Rode Procaster, the Rode PodMic on there. Okay, so what else should we cover now? I'll just show you how it sounds like if I talk into the sides and into the back of this thing. So which means if somebody's talking to the other side of the room and they're facing like the back of this thing, you can't really hear them all that much. So let's just do that now. So I'll keep on talking. And now I'm facing the side. And I'll talk. And now I'm facing the back. So you can't really hear my voice all that much anymore. And it gets louder and louder the more I face the front of this microphone. So that's what you want to do. If you have a noise placed in the room, just face the back side of the microphone to the noise in the room. Okay. So that's about all of on the Rode PodMic. If you want to make the sound a lot better, just get an inline preamp like the Triton Audio Fathead or a Cloud Lifter and connect that between your audio interface and the PodMic. And then the sound will get a lot louder, and you don't have to like turn it up all that much, which gets rid of a lot of noise. Okay, so that's it for this episode or this video. If you have any questions, just post it down below, and see you soon. Oh, by the way, just check out the website in the link below. And I have a course on like building your own home studio. And if you want to learn how to build your own home studio and what microphone and what cameras to get and how to set it all up, then just sign up below. See you soon, and bye-bye.